Hi everyone, my name is Charmaine Mock and I'm the Editorial Director of Dining for Tatler Asia. So today I'm here at Cafe Gray Deluxe to find out more about their new delivery initiative in support of FoodLink. So I'm going to be meeting the chef in just a second to find out how you can bring fine dining food right into your dining room. So come with me and let's find out.
We didn't want it to just be straight prepared food and sending it out. We wanted to make sure that the quality that you get at home is what you would get if you're in the restaurant. A company like FoodLink, they act as a bridge for the community. They are basically a supply center with a lot of beneficiary outlets. So whether it's a community canteen or another charity, they can help supply fresh food, being able to connect that directly to something as simple as a home delivery, which everyone does, especially in Hong Kong. And we just want it to be in the spirit of what we've done for more than 10 years. Really personalized service at the door. It's literally just room service to your home.
And I'm here with Chris Javinsky, who is the chef at Cafe Gray Deluxe. Sometimes you just don't want to do it yourself. So the fact that the chefs here at Cafe Gray have created this pasta for you, you can just boil it at home. How long would you say?
So like a minute and a half.
Great. A minute and a half, and you just stir it with the pesto.
Yeah, exactly. Just lots of salt, make sure the water is very nicely seasoned. Boil for a minute and a half, 2 minutes. Add a bit of pesto, plate it up, put parmesan, pine nuts. All the ingredients are already made.
So when you order a Cafe Gray at home meal, this is kind of how it looks like. So you've got your homemade pasta here, and then you've got your little wild garlic pesto. So you just have to cook your pasta and then stir in the wild garlic pesto, just like Chris taught us. So yeah, it's a full feast that you can have at home, fine dining style.